So hey guys, let's take a short break and I just share a brief description of our trades today. So if you want to be part of this team where we trade together, if you feel you need a partner to trade together, and also our Zoom classes are starting soon, then this is the best place for you to grow. You can see these are our trades: buy Euro USD. We were also buying gold. We were also selling USD JPY, and we didn't move all that part. And after that, we were moving so well. You can see after that we had a Zoom class to explain our trades, and you can see our trades: Euro USD, gold. We also have USD JPY, which I gave you guys. So if you want to be part of the team, just check on the description, and you can WhatsApp me. Also, if you need to attend the boot camp, if you want to attend the full course, then good for you. So guys, let's move on and I show you exactly why I'm making this video.
Yeah, hey guys, welcome back. Okay, it's your boy, of course, Mr. Zero Mile. So don't forget again to subscribe to this channel. So let's move on. I'm not gonna speak much. Let's move on to USDJPY, and I'm gonna be explaining to you something which is very important, and I bet you're not supposed to miss this. Okay, so I don't know, guys, but I'm just trying all my level best to see that we all grow in trading. Okay. So there are many things that I've spoken about and I'm going to repeat in this video. I hope you will understand maybe more better in this video. You understand? And the number one key thing is going to be, of course, the trend. Okay. I think I'm not just going to type it, but it's, it's going to be something like the trend, that's the trend. Then the number two thing that we're going to talk about, we're going to talk about the structures. Okay. Structures in the market. That is the most important thing. Then we are going to talk about the turning points. You understand? Turning points, turning points. Then order flow and order blocks. That's all. So don't forget that me, I only trade pure price action. As you can see my charts here, I don't use any indicator, but I enjoy trading and I love trading using my ways of trading, because I do believe if you only trade using price action, you are on the right place, as long as you just gonna do one thing: patience and consistency and commitment, because commitment and consistency moves together. Now let me start from here. I want you to know one thing. I want you to know one thing. Just a moment. I want you to know one thing, that when you look at the trend, let's say, because I told you guys the USDJPY is gonna be selling for a long time. Yes, for a long time, the whole month. So I'm sorry if things don't go well for me. Don't say, Miles Scales, you just lied us. But that is my analysis. Of course, yes, DJPY is gonna be a long sell, and I'm ready on it. Though I'm not logged on my accounts using my laptop. This one. So let me tell you what I'm trying to say about the trend. I don't want to repeat about the trend. Know very well the characteristics of a trend. I'm just going to be so straight to the point, straight to the point. I want you to look at this. We have been in a bullish trend. Very simple. This is a higher high. This is a higher high. This is a failed higher high. It has failed to close, to break this higher high. And when you can see that after this, we are having a very nice structure, which is a head and shoulder. But you can notice one thing, that when you look at this higher high here, this is a first higher high. Then in this high we had, of course, our pullback. Okay, so when this pullback becomes like our support. You understand that? Let me repeat it very well. Let me draw my support even. So this becomes my support here, but let me just draw it straight away. I draw my support line straight away. Support, good. Yeah, I can just mark using one line: support. Then you notice one funny thing, that after the support, we had a higher high here, and price breaks our support. It broke our previous support. When it breaks our previous support, it has disorganized our structure, and it has also disorganized our trend, because at this point, price was moving in a point of SMS. If you still don't know SMS, my friend, go and check on my, okay, what I'll do is I'll leave a link. I'll leave a link in the, I'll pin a comment, a pin that's, okay, I'll leave a comment and I'll pin the comment, click on that comment, then watch about SMS. So you notice that this thing was moving like this. When price reaches our support here, we expected price to bounce, to move to the next high. But something funny happened, or I can say something fishy, I don't know. So price closed below our supports. So what does that mean? It means it has disrespected our support. Okay, so it means like our support has been broken. Just imagine having a house and the frame is broken. Of course, you expect the house to change the way it looks, to change the shape. Now look at this. What do we expect? We expect price to move down. But I told you price can move down in so many ways. It can either move to what we call the source, which is the top high where price had reached, or we can form a nice structure, which is head and shoulder, which is very nice here. Now, that's why I'm talking about structures. You can see that here we have a head, two shoulders. It's very funny. Head and two shoulders. Now you have to understand why, as the big boy, I always call those dealers big boys because they're so smart in the business. Why have they formed a head and shoulder? You have to understand why head and shoulder. Why not a double top? Or why not a triple top? Why head and shoulder? Now, that is what we call understanding forex, not learning forex. When you understand that, why head and shoulder? Why not a double top? Why not a triple top? Now, you notice that I'm saying USDJPY is going to be a long sell. So when you see this again, another worst point is, you see that even after our head and shoulder, this is our support. Now again, the next, like this, our real structure. You see, I want you to get this as your real structure here. Okay, then you're gonna mark this point. We're gonna mark another point here. I'm gonna mark this point here. You can see that price has broken this point, so I'm expecting price either to test this point and continue moving down. It's very easy. But there is also another format that I'm going to show you what really happened in the business, in the trade. So you notice that this is USDJPY, this H1. Okay, so let's delete and let's see in H4. H4, what did you have for us? So I want you to look at H4. What do you see in H4? You notice that the price was actually bullish. Bullish. It was bullish all the time, bullish. Sorry. All the time bullish. This is bullish. You understand? Like here we are, it's just higher highs, okay? Series of higher highs and higher highs. So you notice that we have been moving on bullish only. So you see, you can look at USD JPY on H4. Though I'm not so much understanding this point, but of course, this is what I'm expecting. I expect price to just still move down